WestAir is a family-owned business. My grandma and grandpa actually started it back in 1970.
Growing up as a child, I was always involved with the business. I used to go to work with my dad. My dad was always a big proponent on having the best customer service in the industry. We always gave out our home phone number. I'm the second generation, and I have two sons, Andy and Chris, that are in the business that are third generation.
Being family owned, at least I could speak for us. Our family's very involved. We care about our coworkers, we care about our facilities, we care about our industry, we care about the environment. So to me, family means business.
WestAir maintains long-standing relationships with their customers by taking care of them. All of the gases and products and services that we provide are critical to our customers' applications. They can't be without liquid nitrogen.
We make decisions very quickly. There's not a lot of red tape. If somebody came to me and wanted to buy 500 new cylinders for a new customer, that happens the same day.
Marine Group and the shipyards here in San Diego is where our grandpa started. Doing the same things, right? They're welding, they're cutting, they're treating metal. That kind of legacy of customer service is pretty special.
San Diego Zoo is, we do a lot in their own labs. When they freeze these cells from an endangered species, they can't lose that. So they rely on us for our liquid nitrogen.
If we can just play even a small part, it means a lot to us. This isn't just a job, right? We're not here to get a paycheck. We're here to carry on a legacy.